Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, don't mind the hair. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. So guys, today's gonna be a updated piano lesson kind of vlog. Yeah, so some time ago I started my piano lessons. We were supposed to practice to do a song like at Christmas time, but it didn't work out, but because of the busy time or whatever. So we started back last week, and I have practice actually tomorrow and not today, but we got assignments and we're gonna go over and we're gonna practice. So got my hymnal. I'm gonna get myself a song. I have one that I've been practicing, so when I get over, I'm gonna actually let you guys hear. I should have probably walked with my earphone because we're going to do two different songs. Alright, so I'm gonna go for the earphone. So yeah, give me a sec. Alright, just gotta grab the black headphones. So I got the black headphones and the connection part. Yes, so we got that. Let's go. See, yes, guys, Shaniky's off. Guys, look at that beautiful sunset. It's okay. I'm walking the long way just to take the sunset. Then we over there, so man. This guys, I need to practice, and then what? You're trying to win me or something? She'll try to race me. Why? It is so cold outside. Our cold front out, and it's cold. I ain't opening nothing. Say hi to the vlog. I think they kind of miss you. Hi to the vlog. Hi. Hi. Me first. No, it's me first. Moving my thing. Oh. Oh, look like they have sitting over here a while ago or something. I don't know. You don't know.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing.
Alright guys, so the first thing first, I have the other song, but I'm gonna be practicing this song first. Where's the charger? So I'm gonna try and find, I was thinking of finding like my favorite hymn and doing that one, but I wasn't finding it in the hymn book. Other one. I'm thinking of I the Lord of Sea and Sky. Oh, that go. I am here. I am, or I the Lord. Here I am, Lord. We got to use something to practice do, re, mi every time. So let's go. Alright guys, so I'm going to find my song and write the notes for it. The good thing about it, you see, me and Shanique, we pretty much can read the notes, but we can't read it as fast, so we have to write the letter. So we can sit down and cipher where it's supposed to be, but we can't read it fast. So we have to write the letter. It's a bleak out for that. But yeah.
Something from you. You ain't giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. Oh.
I know dropping a phone. Nobody drop. Yeah, I'm ready. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. As you guys saw, welcome. Alright, so we are back from practice. So pretty much guys, as I said, I can read the music notes, but I have to like write it down. So I have to like sit down and write it because my eyes don't go as fast as yet. So I think as time goes by, I'm gonna start playing without writing it, and then, you know, see how things go, because I want to get familiar with where the letters are and how things are supposed to sound and things like that. You know, just figuring out like notes and stuff like that. So I want to do that first before I start reading without writing the letters. I know it's not the best, but I'm trying. So yeah, so yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my little update on my piano lessons. I don't have any updates on my driving lessons. But if you guys missed the first video, I will link it down below or in the cards. So I did do the driving as well, but there's no update right now, no updates at all. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.